연결습니다. on the line. Hoyas ball. Number 5. Penetrate. For stop. No good. Counter number 18. Very ball. Looking for a teammate. So, 4-2. No. Foul. By Francis. Francis dribbling the ball. Francis looking for a teammate. Pass to number 2. Drop on the number 3. Jump ball. Good ball. Still by number 7. Out of bounds. Moving ball. Penetrate. Pass. Drop by number 24. Drop by Mr. Zumbayo. Efficient score. 18 minutes and 47 seconds for the first quarter. Penetrate. Drop pass into bounds versus 7-9. Mayo. Mayo number 7. Looking for a screen. To pass to Garcia, number 3. Nope. Francis Clark, rebound. Oops, there's no whistle. There's no stop. Giving the ball. Oh my God. It's out of bounds. 7 minutes and 34 seconds. Still there's no score. Oops. There's a field. Out of bounds. Same ball. Going on. Pass to Garcia. Garcia penetrate. Voilà. Nakuha ni Magdari answer for the first 2 points. Penetrate. Sinaksak. Kamayo pass to. Right number 3. Voilà. Kuha ni number 38. 38. Sinakasa. 2 points. Oh, there's a whistle. Foul. 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 Good, good.
Foul, safety foul, not good. There's a foul. It's foul red. Safety foul.
Number 47 foul. First throw. Nothing but net. Surveillance easy for 1 point. Second throw. Short ball. Kuwani Zumbayo. Steal and pass to Oh, there's no whistle. Coming from number. The first personal foul and 31. First throw again from Ferreira. Second throw. Second throw. Easy. 1 ball. Nothing but net. Official score 6-0. Look, na. Score. Mao na tayo. Mahina. First throw. Sa Kibu. Louis. Butang na ang ito ng Kibu. Second throw. Rebound. Number 2. Garcia, penetrate. Oh, bilong pa ba? Wala. Rebound nila, mag-21, pinapang sa tayo. Nagkakasa. There's a block. Nice one. Number 2, Lisa, yes sir. Easy, 2 points. Number 6, we bring up play. Batang main lamang, number 3. Number 46, kaya ini coach player to number 13, Peter. And still in number 26. Again, first throw for number 26, easy, 1 point. Second throw. Step up. Yes, sir. 26, easy, 4. Press ball. Down. And serious, 8-2. To David. Dito, tumibol. Oh, there is number 26, pinasabitan, no, shoot. Score. Second throw, Manisa. Wow, number 14, David. One ball. Oh, nice block. But still, nakuha niya. Pito, number 26, number 5 for 3. Yes, sir, 3 points. Sorry, to number 46. Wala, malakas. Defended by number 3. Step up. Number 26. Oh, there's a kill by from the rebound. Shout out those who are watching right now. Thank you so much for coming and enjoy our game. And our score is 12-7. Royal ball. This is not the ball. The people looking for Steven. Pass to David. For perimeter. Yes, sir. For Mr. David. Easy 2 points. Now, good ball. Player number 5. So wait, there is 3 and by 2 points. Nothing at all. Pass to David. No stakes, 5 seconds for the first quarter. Wait, we see. Now there's a it's fouled by first throw. Second throw. Mahina. Number 18, but still. Hey! Number 27, number 15, number 15. Drop back. There's no whistle there. First throw. 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Dalawang minuto at 11 segundo na lang natitira sa ating first quarter. Rebound by number 3, number 3, malakas, nilay na, malakas. But still, nakuha niya. Wala pa din. For the big, wala din. Diba, defensive batters, there is a whistle coming from Mr. Shout out sa inyo lahat ng manonood. Mga players, nakuha na. First row, wala. Second row. Yes, sir. Wow. 14-11. 50 controlling the ball. Shooting the time. Foul. There's the foul. Who's foul? David to Vito. Vito looking for his teammates. Then sending it back for 3. David wala. Rebound by number. Natusok ang David. Number 6. Hanap. Wala. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Pass to number. Yes, sir. Number 9 for easy 2 points. Terus upper, Selina, nice shot. Number 8. One minute, 15 no whistle, na rebound David, wala pa din. Number 15, shooting the ball. Nagpapalay. Pinasa, rebound by number 46. Tumakawin si number 46. Pinasa kay Pipito. Pines, there's no whistle. And foul. Pipito. Official score, 16-13. Nabayan ang Hoyas ng tatlong puso. Yes, sir. Easy 1 point. Jump under the ball. 35 seconds. Pass to number 15. Kalabaw, there's no winner. And by number 3. One point, last. 31 seconds remaining. 31 seconds remaining. Last roll. Yes, sir. Pito, turning the ball. Pass to the beat. Intercept by number 20. Pass to Pito. It's for teammate. Pito. Pass to the beat again. 20 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Neil Jagger. One number 22.